I'm going to make a mahi tantalising fish tortilla wrap. And the first thing I'm going to do is marinate the 2 tilapia fishes with this mahi herb sauce. So we just want to make sure that we're covering all of the fish, so we're just going to use our hands and spread the sauce around. So now I'm going to go and grill the fish, but you can cook it however you want to cook it. I'm going to leave it there for 4 to 5 minutes to cook on that side, and then I'm going to flip it over. While the fish is cooking, I'm going to heat up a tortilla wrap. You can either have wholemeal or white. I prefer wholemeal. I'm now just going to shred the fish up so that we can fit it into the wrap. So lastly, I'm going to add everything together. So I'm going to put the sour cream onto the wrap, then I'm going to add the tilapia fish. Then I'm going to put a little bit of salad on that, and my 2 sauces I'm going to use is the mahi lime and coriander, and a little bit of the herb sauce as well. And there you have it, a mahi tantalising fish tortilla wrap from Mahi with love.